Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Jenny from LaShenny21Nails. Today's manicure is a collaboration with Moni from Moni Nailscoquetas. These are the manicures that we've prepared. I'll leave a link to her video in the description box of mine. Let's get started. As a base, I have applied these two polishes, the green from Revlon called In the Money and this blue from Sinful colors called Too Cool for Pool. The plate I'll be using is my Born Pretty plate BP-L029. Let's remove the protective film. To pick up the first image, I'll use my green Beauty BigBang stamping polish. It's number 3. Now I fill it in with different nail polishes. For the second image, I applied both polishes directly onto the plate at the same time and carefully scrape the excess. I stamped the purple polish 2 times because it's too light. Then I used this Sinful Colors purple polish called Majestic to stamp the second image over it. The darker shade of purple really makes it pop. Once the first image is completely dry, I stamp it directly onto my nails. And to finish off, I apply my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat. The manicure is now complete. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to pass by Moni's channel to see the beautiful manicure that she prepared. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!